Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about European electrical installation monitor and purchasing behavior among electrical installers.
One of the most important elements of a successful marketing and communication strategy is understanding the buying behavior of your core target group. This is why, once every 2 years, we measure the purchase behavior of electrical installers in the European Electrical Installation Monitor. Over the last couple of years, we've been monitoring some key trends in the buying behavior of installers. For example, the specialized installation wholesale remains very dominant. The main challenger is not pure online, but is direct supply from manufacturers in terms of share of wallet.
On a European level, the share of wallet for the specialized wholesaler is 75%, with more than 95% of all electrical installers using this channel. Direct supply from manufacturer has the second highest share of wallet with 9%, while pure online stores represent only 5% of the total share of wallet. There are, however, strong differences per country. The share of wallet for the specialized wholesaler is the highest in Poland, 80%. The UK installers spend more than installers from other countries through pure online stores, 7%, and direct supply from manufacturer is the highest in Germany, with 10% of the share of wallet.
Surprisingly, the Corona crisis only had a very limited impact on the buying behavior of the electrical installers. If any, we clearly see that the specialized wholesale was actually able to strengthen their position during the Corona crisis. Where we do see a big difference is in the ordering behavior of the electrical installers. It's clear that they started to order more online during the Corona crisis. In the Netherlands, 73% of all orders placed at the specialized wholesale were done online.
In the full report, you will find detailed information on the buying and ordering behavior of electrical installers in 7 European countries. Not only where they buy and how much they spend, but also the way of ordering, the reasons for choosing a channel, which products are purchased the most per channel, and much more.
The full report is now available. For more information, please visit our website or contact us directly for any questions you might have on the report or the research itself.